Hey guys, welcome to another edition of our GHL tutorial videos. Today we'll be showing you how to use your GHL Doser 2.1 as an ATO pump when it is connected to the ProfiLux 4. Having a Doser 2.1 connected to a P4 allows you to use one or more of the onboard pumps as an ATO pump. With this level of control, you no longer need a separate pump to run your ATO functions. The Doser 2.1 does it all for you. Before we get started, make sure you already have your flow or optical sensor connected to your ProfiLux. Be sure to also know exactly which level port it is connected to. Remember, your P4 has two onboard level ports which are specifically fitted for these kinds of sensors. If you have the sensor connected to the purple port, it is connected to level 1 and 2. If the sensor is connected to the green port, it is connected to level 3 and 4. With that done, let's get started. Start by going to the level settings page, then selecting an unused control circuit. Double-click on it and set the operation mode to Auto Top Off. If you'll be using two sensors for the ATO function, select ATO with two sensors. Next, set the desired maximum on time. This is the failsafe feature for this function. If for any reason the sensor does not respond, leaving the pump running, the ProfiLux will automatically turn the pump off and trigger an alarm after the maximum on time has elapsed. Next, check this box if you want the sensor that caused the alarm to be automatically reset when it has detected normal operation. The next step is to select the sensor number that will be used for this function. For example, if you have the sensor connected to the level 1 and 2 port, select 1. If it is connected to a splitter cable and level 1 is already being used, select 2. Same rules apply if the sensor was connected to level 3 and 4. For those using two sensors, select what level ports these sensors are connected to. Lastly, type in a description in both fields and click OK. With that done, go to the dosing pump channel that will be assigned as an ATO pump. In our example, we'll be using dosing pump channel number 4. Set the pump to react to switch channel. The index box corresponds to the socket numbering. Select the socket number which is not currently being used by any other device. For example, if you have one power bar assigned to sockets 1 through 5, use another socket. In this example, we'll use socket number 6. The next step is to assign socket number 6 to the ATO function. We do this by going to the Switch Channels and Outlets settings page and selecting the S6 socket. Set the function to fill water ATO only. The number here corresponds to the control circuit number you used when you created the ATO function. For example, since we used control circuit number 1, we would select number 1. If we had used control circuit number 2, we would select 2. With that done, type in the description in both fields, click OK, and save changes. Anytime the flow or optical sensor detects a low water level in your sump, the sensor will send the message to the designated power bar socket to turn on. Since the dosing pump is assigned to that same socket, it will respond by turning on. Once the sensor detects normal water level, the dosing pump will turn off. Thanks guys for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. If you'd like to see certain how-to videos, let us know in the comment section below. If you have any questions for us and need further support, you can always reach out to us on our GHL support forum or by email at info@ghlUSA.com.